So today we've got some different solar lights for outdoor. This is for the walls and column post. So it's like this. It comes in this box. You'll get it somewhat like this. Okay. So they're pretty good. The box includes some Rahul plugs and screws, which you can just screw in from here on top. Okay. So these ones work pretty well. I've already bought quite a few. It's been like 3 years and they're doing very well outside. Just need to make sure you clean the solar panels properly if there's dust. And as long as there's sun, it works well. For around 6 to 8 hours of sun, this will work for around 10 hours. So this one, here's the on button. Press it, comes bright. This is the light, even though there's still light in the house. So it's very bright. There are different modes for this. A lighter one, which has a motion sensor, and if you move, it brightens up. So you can set it to either light at the start and then brighten up later on, or keep it all the time fully bright. See. So I'll show you outside also how it looks. I've installed a few. So I've put here the side of the door one and another one here. It gives a nice feel to the house. Look. Also another one here. So these are all the old ones, 3 years old, still working well. And now this is the one on the pathway. So as soon as it senses me, it will brighten up. Here you go. So this is how bright it comes. So this is a good addition for your house. Just keep on putting it on the walls and pillars where it gets sunlight. There's another one further up there. I'm going to add a few more here and the pillars. Do try it out. Let me know in the comments if you have any other doubts or you want any other questions to be answered. I'll put the links in the product section to this. Thank you.